Let's take a little time this morning and go on a hike. Let's go into the beautiful Crystal Cave. This is a place to release burdens. You find yourself standing at the base of a majestic mountain. The air is crisp and invigorating, urging you to begin your ascent. With each step, you feel a sense of determination growing within you. As you climb higher, the path becomes steeper, symbolizing the challenges and weights of the burdens you carry. Yet you persist, fueled by the desire to lighten your load and find inner peace. Along the way, you notice shimmering crystals embedded in the mountainside, reflecting the hidden strength and resilience within you. After a gradual and steady climb, you reach the entrance of a magnificent crystal cave. The cave beckons you with its ethereal glow, inviting you to step inside and explore the depths of your being. As you enter, you feel a profound sense of tranquility washing over you. The cave walls are adorned with glistening crystals of various shapes and sizes, their radiant energy illuminating the space. Each crystal represents a burden that you carry, holding on to past pain or regrets or self-doubt. With intention, you approach each crystal, acknowledging its presence and the emotions it embodies. One by one, you gently release these burdens, letting go of the weight that they have imposed on your spirit. As you do so, you feel a sense of liberation and freedom resonating within you, as if each burden evaporates into the air, transforming into pure, radiant light. Moving deeper into the cave, you come across a serene pool of water. Its surface reflects the newfound clarity and inner peace that fills your being. You take a moment to gaze into the stillness, observing your reflection and recognizing the transformation that has taken place within. In this sacred space, you allow yourself to fully embrace the relief, forgiving yourself and others for any past hurts or mistakes. You offer gratitude for the lessons learned and the strength gained from carrying those burdens. As you surrender, a profound sense of lightness permeates your entire being. Now, leaving the crystal cave behind, you begin your descent from the mountain. Each step carries a renewed sense of freedom and inner peace. The burdens that once weighed you down have been released, replaced by a newfound sense of clarity and purpose. As you return to your everyday surroundings, take your time and carry with you the transformative energy of the crystal cave within you. You will navigate life with a lighter spirit, embracing the present moment and embracing your authentic self. You have freed yourself from the burdens that held you back. You are ready to embrace a life filled with joy, growth, and limitless possibilities. Once you are ready to return to your day, slowly begin to move and gently open your eyes and orient to the space that you're in. But remember, you have freed yourself from the burdens that held you back, ready to embrace a life filled with joy, growth, and limitless possibilities.